I was afraid about the dim como and tebia ana penchement me wase a esi e wo Nigeria man mu nam so ama coup esi e wo honomo Nigeria man so ababeto dwase ho so ya de se penchement me wase bi so ama na homne so e wo honom ne nom ana nkomodedie akoso enam so ama former chief of defense staff or Ghana Armed Forces no ye Brigadier General Joseph Nunoo Mensah retired and so na no to me no wache se o man konkuru Ghana ayo man ya yempe ho asem eno tie man ya ni na ho ne nya hweye papa se ne memmo no si abu atantia na nkofo kasa memmo no nye no ema saa anwoma asi e wo Niger na afi so Nigeria man no mu eba bebu ya bem na no so ama yenso asore etia se yenso eba betu ye mampanye ye saa dia de oye ne kese pa ene de bebo man konkuru Ghana mu ahanum sei eno nsama do yewra Brigadier General Nunoo Mensah enso de aba betu dwa ye ba betena se na ye di ehon komo na no achi ana second deputy speaker of parliament yewra Andrew Esiama Amwako enso so de atudwa no wache se saa oman konkuru Ghana yenso yenya rehemu ewo yamamren ye friends kan bi mamenka bi amemu no yenya rehemu ewo mu na afi so yentwen se beto abawie na aban no a osiso se aban no kampo enwoma wo ye no enkoya ye to abawie a na ye yi aban foforo ama na abadanse e bema saa ku a ekoso ewo aman hodo so no ede yetim na yenso yakwa e bi esa de a ene oman konkuru Ghana ye be kontuhwede pa eno ensema do a opanyen no so ede atudwa ye ba betena se na ye di ehon komo fa comment comment section as like channel foforo eso enye bi nhwe ebusan se na be hye nkomode ne na se no ye nkono ye nti ensema do a former chief of defense staff at the Ghana Armed Forces Brigadier General Joseph Nunoo Mensah retired or they atudwa ne ye ba bedi ehon enkomo
if an Ghana ejira sisi a ewku is it possible say you bit my press button am coup bi asi sa ana anya sa edie na Ghana enye to avert any impending danger because yempeku e wo men
Emeka ku wasama na mpesa meka because as we are putting ideas in the people's heads
but I say ka wasem because for instance you two give me president Ebia Mali anka and you two Mali president Ebia Burkina Faso anka and you two Burkina Faso Niger anka and you two Niger inti entra o me to your president no you can speak and avert any impending danger.
Youth issues, you know, it touches my heart so much so.
Okay.
You know, and after my life, you know, the last couple of years, I've spent so much of my time and money to help youth in education. Since good in Sian and some. Orally, I moved the whole school there at myself. 3 o'clock in the sorry, 3 in the morning. But about 3-4 hours, I'm sorry. Cook for the workers. Orally was more or less going to be closed down. Okay. No more asylum down behind the cathedral. And I spent, in fact, it nearly killed me because I'm doing that. But damn, you know, some of from Obinim, these are the future of Ghana. If I don't manage the future properly, future do what? But sooner or man me danger, no. So you have to have the heart, the feeling for the young ones are more bad. So youth issues, what did you know, you are working on very dangerous Now, because of military coups, dangerous. In fact, the more dangerous one is the mass uprising. Youth, you can say, Kopo Nana, bra, do this. Yes, sir. All this, I call you come. Even though he became head of state, also. And even when he was head of state, become officer, he will get as Mr. Chairman.
Even when he was president?
Yes. One thing I respect Rollins, he will get up as a got me staff, head of the military. He was a uniform.
Wow. He accorded you as that leader.
The wonderful
wow.
You know. So it's easier to command in the military in politics.
Okay, Rollins time and I chief of defense staff.
I became chief of defense. Just Rollins time I appointed me. Chief of staff. Chief of staff is the center of administration.
Yeah, center of administration. Okay.
Please
proceed on that.
That's right. Now I've been through all kinds of places. Now one thing also I've learned in my life is that, you know, what's it 1 + 1 = 2, and I had 3. Let me say year 3. There was me kasa year 2. Men kada.
Because I need to.
Because you're wrong. The problem in me. Me, so I'm one where the way too smarter. I'm no quickly.
Okay.
Where a problem? Want to toe the line and just say yes. You know, the me yes man. But
that's saying I may obey before complain.
Yes. No, if the order is sensible, you know what they mean.
Now, superior say you will.
But the lawful command.
Okay.
A lawful command. Example, it to a champion. Maybe what to be. 1978. I was chief of staff at the time.
Okay.
And this were officers. Kofi, Obinim. If I make even today, I feel the pain in me.
Wow.
These were first class officers. But the phobia, they had to sacrifice them as, you know, because Yanka, my young baby, and Kofa Sasami and France, because a very better experience.
A Ghana, because National Security Coordinator, ATA, National Security Advisor to the President, ATA, Chief of Defense Staff, ATA, President, ATA, Vice President, ATA, as an experienced man, Sasami are okay.
Can it happen in Ghana? In that?
Maybe a Gina say, Gina had no more. It will be out there because you see into your dream. And I could be based on ABCD.
Yeah, fair Coups. SCC, Guinea, Mali, Burkina, and down Niger. What led to those coups? Mismanagement. What they thought maybe there was mismanagement of the economy. And to me, especially, youth issues, are critical.
Okay.
Youth, when you be there, because but if you've been a youth before, now, my time, you could become chief of defense staff with a fisherman's father. Today you can't. Now, we need. Look, when I'm driving around here, I mean, we use moving piazza, mobile phone, the wives won't Joseph, and afraid, and so I said, "Me, will you like it?" Me no, actually, what is youth as my youth? Me, some me doing the panel. So when you're doing woman, I had all tried on the war, to love mankind. You can learn it, or you don't. Now, don't me one. It goes beyond. Semi dobia basa oba. In fact, one never be here now to understand. Maybe penny what saying what you London. Me try idea. Na me serious. Na what I'm for you. That never pay Sujeni. Oba me try idea. Now there's nowhere Sujeni between cause chief of defense file the fee. Never between connect. Never serious. Watch the banana. It doesn't happen. But yeah, one day better obedience say coke and Fanta anyway. So we one at the bay. So Robert upon the bay. What papa at the bay? Or if you get anybody. Now, CDS, it doesn't happen. Or so called CDS, but no. Or a human being. Who you see? Roll is one day. Mr. Bakar, you hear more. Who you see? Never say,
how crampank and next week a bit much was.
I come always, I'm free and water from here. Never say, so again, yes, you won't come me. Your land of we up at Tessie range. You don't mess account. They say, or your commander. Firing squad order to be shot.
Hey.
No, but if I were one of those people, you should do no man.
Okay.
And you were the commander of the Papa Mission Abadia.
Yeah.
Oh, you could do. You should tell me that.
Abedin.
Man. This is what. To a disturbance. If you just.
The interview win is because you have run through a lot of coups.
Yes.
And worked with a lot of coups.
Yes.
If you hold my son, I can say, pick ammunition, credit, see winning. So you understand it.
Yes.
And I win him, Emrea, you drew on one, not could be able. So I want you to bring that experience to bear. Not of mining, in being free, because a coup say anybody be a coup.
No, it's a terrible situation. There's a Oko Europe, a difficult. There are Ghanaians, African dying in Morocco and Tunisia and I say, baby, grass, no, I drive Hawaii, Ghana position, Burkina, Bunya, Yabonum, Ghanaweb hono. There's a situation, yes, we have baby film. You know, so it's a lessons a bit film. Film say, Niama we are very close to that. Okay. You're careful.
I was afraid of a transfer, now you distance in Hong Kong and any go away.
So it is a boy soon, you are catching the say, hey, Aboa, sorry, and so. Then can Chen say on sorry and so. If you so free in Swa or the Baba also. It just a question I see at the Yonko near me. What do you mean? I would day. What do you be a one affair who be soup? Oh, Simon. And one dear soon in the journal. The Tiana said, a milk to a young to me on your friend acquiring too. And until a day and go forward and then the dear phone and your massa. Who told you? Nigeria was African state. And was also a member of ECOWAS. And I'm a boy?
Yes.
She said, we a member of AU. As I a member of ECOWAS, there. I did tell some bar. Yes, and fire home. A fire home, papa. Name on the approach. Approach a day, man of fire honor. Quite bad the first one. Did we weigh or have we weighed the options? Yemfa suja phone call and I yemfa diplomatic means enkasa ma aba ento. So what I didn't say? Yes. Because the last time I heard Canada say Nigeria is one country even though about him do we are here for pa here buburu for pa. Na so ba say memma gina we do mo kwa koni ade de mo pa. Giant for no e wo ho ne ade. Na so mo military man o kwadale mu e wo sa kwanzo unso mo ben desert.
Yes.
Until one o your man aben desert one to ne ma ye betwa fa so de bia ene sa ne ma. It will be can if he say was say you huru kwan e be fa so a e be attack situation no because be kwa attack wrongly no one we you de nsunsanso a e de African war and ebeba abofri tewe de omobo mpaya sanka one day Africans ye jimi no ebeburu jimi so na nke de ntokwa bom na ya sese niam kakra resources na wa ha no na ma fa kuntura se abasesa ni na dia komkuru yes enunti so bi ka asensi ni dia fa si Ghana the approach should be done in a diplomatic means soja na de ko no se no akodru options say o se soja kwa soja nko tenie se soja na e ko ho no so ma we options na hu say soja na de kwa because bia ya underground talks are amfa ena Nigeria fo ani ede mo ye soja ni de say de kra na omuntumi ni Africa nyina eni akoma ne nyi nti drum re na se se basa ye manje ama fom tia se Coup maker be ni wa why that successful in terms of amamum oba ye Ghana ha ni pipa ko a bi a meyi na sinchen kakra eye a champion there according to kakra ye be sua free ye be sua fa na ho no na che so no there wo ye adwuma in fact wo ye adwuma and on kwa na people want to believe that on there no a soldier ni ba no kra or say civilian heart. So what I say, and it's any man, it's one day between years in chain. But another chain, I saw you for a bay in Uncle Siaga, runs the last one. Opa, Obi or yetching you for Uncle He. Between time I runs a soldier buying, and so runs by a civilian government, you know. Both say Juma or civilian government here more far better than some who is soldier buying. Ko soja ba yam kobono yam penene sa niam no no otisi gotem I say people have been shit of the year ya to wa metu ampani an so besi gotem yes because you see if did ma dey say no we head of state nya gotana we free sima kwakote no e won see as leadership by good example there you can be there and instruct people to do yes. So what I say nya ti abetiasi gotem so wa wote no and I say oh don't mind and say oh yeah what is right but what I say runs here did die afa you know e ko wi asem san company dada John na jekum kufuo bi me pia anka ha no sa sika portfolio ba kwa na say Ghana must go back na da koto anti-Mary bread bakwana ewana B foster bako. So what I say?
Yes.
Civilian government has always been the best. Name as a trimudane politicization of every issue, any monetary or the same system about your politics, ama omun to me what is right. Once I conform a prayer, no brain.
Yeah.
Or pray frequency runs in some into Nyan, so he tried as much as possible to make Ghanaians feel say I didn't know brain when you turn so ye be Magana for when you saw into Kufonia Mobina were excellent. So what I say, Kufor garment, Kufor this, Kufor that, just say not a for crack. So what I say, by Assassin and Center, I quite say, what we discover from one year of Friday. Now this guy from another president. It will be said they will have a way out. And I'm not mentioning massive development. Now Katisa and the HMA Shama Ketana accountability. I hear Jumani at the idea. And can you civilian government in Yonko and sorry, as a military government leadership and a military dictatorship and a coup or say leadership. Yonko civilian such a buying is never an option to any develop because answer now to inco to the idea overcome jagu best say idea to assemble trim and sign him and yaman until yan to say civilian government has always been the best, but we should start voting wisely and we should also start changing our government style. Say by ya you bet to me ama and Kofi any leadership our civilian government in them.
Na never say I was over for comment section as like a Shatta for floor so any yakra mo